A new Nikon is coming, but we don't know what it is. Nikon-logoThis. Nikon Rumors is about as big as it gets. All it states is that within the next weeks, there will be a new Nikon camera announced, and it's not the D700X D700. It also states that the model will be something entirely new for Nikon and not a replacement. Nikon Rumors is thinking that this camera might be something like the new Leica X1, which seems plausible. A few years ago the movement was to DSLRs. Everyone wanted one and a lot still do. But those of us that have been lugging around the cameras for a few years can tell you that they're a pain. What I want now is a high-quality pocket shooter just a step below a micro Four Thirds camera like the Leica X1. Hopefully Nikon has something planned, because the Leica X1 is just a tad above my price range.
Here we go.
I guess we'll see in a week or two if this rumor pans out.